Hello students, welcome back to Maths online classes for KCET. In this session, we will discuss some of the different types of models when come to vectors in KCET. See, before solving those problems, I will mention some topics and regarding that synopsis and also formulas and some practice problems. Around 100 practice problems I will mention in this description of that video. You can ask for share it and you can download it also. See, when come to vectors, so what are the some introduction topics and synopsis and formulas you needed is, first one, you should know about what do you mean by scalars, okay, and then what do you mean by vectors. In that vectors we have different types of vectors like vectors, what are like vectors, what are unlike vectors, okay, and then what are collinear vectors. Regarding this you need to know the introduction about this, and then if A and B are collinear, what we need to do, okay, and then the necessary conditions for position vector of a point, and then section formula, okay. Section formula, there will be two types for a section formula. One is, okay, the point in between, and the one is external. So two cases will be there. One is mb bar plus na bar by m plus n, one condition irutte. Innondu mb bar minus na bar by m minus n. When we will use this case, okay, I will mention in the description. You can download it. And then if ABC are collinear, okay, if 3 points are collinear, what we need to do. Otherwise, if A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar, okay, coplanar means what we need to do. We need to make det is equal to 0, and then we'll get that require constants. And again, regarding dot product of vectors, regarding dot product and scalar product, okay, and both properties, these are very important. You need to remember all those properties also kept. And again, work done formulas, work done, when we will use this work done formula and moment formula, okay, these are also mentioned in that PDF which is in that description. Now, in order to solve the problems, we need another important formulas needed. Those are area of triangle, okay, area of triangle ABC when two adjacent sides are given. That formula is different. That formula will be like of A bar into B bar, that generally we will use. But again, we have formula for area of triangle, okay, area of triangle ABC when three position vectors are given like A bar, B bar and C bar. Then what will be the formula? For that formula will be of A bar cross B bar, okay, and then plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar, this data of. So when if it is given adjacent sides given means A bar cross B bar will do. If they given three vectors, position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar means this formula will apply. And again we have area of parallelogram formula. Area of parallelogram formula, that is A bar cross B bar modulus, okay, area. When if they given in that parallelogram only, we have another case. In that parallelogram, if they given diagonals, this is area of a parallelogram, this is area of parallelogram when diagonals are given. When diagonals are given means for that another formula is there of C bar cross D bar. See, as you know that in PE level, area of triangle you know of A bar cross B bar, and again area of parallelogram we know of A bar cross B bar. But these are another two important formulas. This is area of triangle when position vectors are given. This is when area of triangle when the diagonals are given. And again we have area of quadrilateral ABCD, okay, that formula is of AC bar cross BD bar. So okay, according to that quadrilateral ABCD. And then if A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram, sometimes they will ask these diagonals also, okay, they will ask the diagonals also. So this diagonal will be of A bar plus B bar agutte, of model A bar plus B bar. This diagonal will be of A bar minus B bar. So those type of formulas and all I have mentioned in that description. Please download it. And in that PDF only you have minimum 100 questions to practice. Those all you practice, then minimum you will get 3 questions for KCET. See, according to the past years, if you observe the weightage of the vectors, you will get minimum 3 to 4 questions every year. Okay. Hope this year also you will get a minimum 3 questions from this chapter, vectors. Now we'll start the problem solving when come to vectors. See, when we need to solve a problem in vectors, you need to read that question very carefully. Very carefully you need to read that question. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. For example, this is ABCD is a parallelogram. If the coordinates of A, B, C are respectively -2, -1, 3, 0 and 1, -2, then the coordinates of D they are asking. For example, this is ABCD. These respect to coordinates given -2, -1 and then 3, 0 and then this is 1, -2. So this one we need to find. Okay, that we will consider as x, y. If they given 3 coordinates, then how to find the third coordinate we need to find here. As it is a parallelogram, if you observe, AB bar is equal to DC bar, right or not? AB bar is parallel to DC bar. This condition we will consider here, and these two vectors are almost equal. Here, what is AB bar? How to find AB bar? OB minus OA. That is nothing but 3 minus of -2, which is 5. Okay. Then 0 minus of -1 is 1. So which is equal to DC. See, 1 minus, this is 1 minus x, -2 minus y. -2 minus y. See, if we equate these two, we will get that x and y values. Nothing but 1 minus x equal to 5 you do, x equal to -4 you will get, and again 1 is equal to -2 minus y you do, y is equal to -2 minus 1, y equal to -3. That means x, y values are -4, -3. Like this you need to do. Next, second question. The value of m for which vectors a bar equal to I cap minus j cap and b bar equal to -2i cap plus mj cap are collinear. See, when two vectors are collinear, collinear means here we can consider as, if we consider this as a1 and b1, these constants, and these constants are a2 and b2, like a2 means -2, b2 means m, a1 means 1 and b1 means -1. Then condition for collinear means a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. So this is the condition for this collinear. So in this case, what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2. So 1 by -2 is equal to this is b1 by b2 minus 1 by m. So then clearly you will get the value m is equal to, mu cross multiplication you do here, -1 into -2, which is equal to m equal to 2. Okay, this is one method. For this collinear, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 you do. Okay, this is one condition. Another method you can follow whenever these two are collinear means here a bar is equal to lambda into b bar also you can do. Okay, what is a bar? First vector I cap minus j cap is equal to some lambda into b bar, what is -2i cap plus mj cap. See, if we equate these two, you will get here I cap constant, which is 1 is equal to -2 lambda. That means lambda is equal to -1 by 2. Here lambda is equal to -1 by 2. See, again in this case, if we equate these j bars, -1 is equal to m into lambda. We know that m is equal to -1 by lambda, m is equal to -1 by lambda value -1 by 2, minus cancel, m value is equal to 2. In this case also you will get the value same only. Okay, collinear means here like this you can do a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, then we will get that constant value. Otherwise a bar equal to lambda b bar you do. First you find the lambda value and then lambda value substitute in the second one. For that, how to get this equation means equating I cap coefficients, again equating j cap coefficients. Next, so the option is B. Next, when comes to third question, if the position vectors of A and B are 3i cap minus 8j cap and -6i cap plus 4j cap, then a unit vector in the direction of AB bar. Unit vector in the direction of AB bar means very simple. This is ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ by modulus of a bar. If they ask unit vector in the direction of BA bar means this will become BA bar by modulus of BA bar. Like this we need to do. As they are asking direction of AB bar, first we need to find AB bar. As it is position vectors, this will become OA bar 3i cap minus 8j cap, and again OB bar as minus 6i cap plus 4j cap. In order to find AB bar, we need to find OB bar minus OA bar, which is equal to minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9 I cap, and again 4 minus of minus, which is plus 12 j cap. This is what AB bar. Now we need to find unit vector that we will consider as, for example, small a cap is equal to AB bar by modulus of AB bar. So which is equal to minus 9 I cap plus 12 j cap divided by modulus of AB bar. What is modulus of AB bar? Square root of minus 9 whole square is 81 plus 12 square is 144, which is equal to minus 9 I cap plus 12 j cap divided by 81 plus 144, which is equal to square root of 225 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 8 12, and then plus this one. So we will get 225. That means it will be equal to 15. Right now, so but this is not there in options. Why? Because all in terms of 3i cap 4j. That means if you take 3 common, it will become minus 3i cap plus 3. If you take common means 4j cap divided by 5. So if you observe the options, it will be the option B. Very simple. Unit vector in the direction andre ee tara ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, if a bar, b bar and c bar, then a unit vector parallel to this one. Okay, unit vector parallel to this one means if we consider this as some d bar, which is 2a bar minus 3b bar plus c bar. If it is vector, unit vector parallel to this d bar is, we will consider as d cap is equal to db bar by modulus of d bar, as like this previous problem. But first we need to find d bar. What is d bar? 2 times of a bar minus 3 times of b bar plus c bar. So that I will find first. 2 times of a bar means minus 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 4 k cap. Okay, minus 3 times of b bar, which is minus, okay, directly will do. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 I cap, and then minus 3 into j is minus 3 j cap, minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9 k cap, and then c bar, which is I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. So minus 2 plus 6 is 4, 4 plus 1, which is 5 I cap, and then minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 j cap, and then minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. Okay, sorry, this is minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5, plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4 k cap. So this is what d bar. But how to find d cap is d bar by modulus of d bar. So but here if you observe, what is d bar? We got 5 I cap minus 3 plus minus plus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ option B is the correct answer. Why? Because here plus minus, sorry, plus minus plus ತಾನೆ, so it will become option A. Okay, no need to do time waste for finding modulus of d bar. Why? Because already d bar matched here. So if you want to find modulus of d bar, then also you will get that same answer. So if you observe what is modulus of d bar, according to this is square root of 5 square 25 plus 9 plus 16. Okay, which is equal to it will become 9 plus 16 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 50. That 50 we can write as 5 root 2. Okay, that means that is a option A. So in order to minimize the time, if that numerator matches with any one of that option, that is the correct answer. If matched with 2 options, then we need to find this d bar also. Okay, remember that. Next, the vector of magnitude 3. Okay, see here, the vector of magnitude 3 and perpendicular to each one of the vectors 4 I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap and minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. See, they given that a vector is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. That we will mention it as a bar cross b bar. Okay, so a bar cross b bar we will find, and then a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. After that, as it is magnitude is perpendicular, as it is magnitude 3, we will multiply with 3. Hope you understood. A vector of magnitude 3 and perpendicular to each one of the vectors. Perpendicular to each one of the vectors means that we should do as a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. This we need to find and then multiply with 3. First of all, a bar cross b bar. So that we will find I cap, j cap, k cap. A bar first 4, minus 1, 3 constants we need to take, and then here b bar constants, which is minus 2, 1 and then minus 2. First we need to find this a bar cross b bar. So what we will get a bar cross b bar is I cap into, I cap into, this is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, minus j cap into, I think you know how to multiply this according to the determinants, j cap into 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2, and then plus k cap into 4 into 1, 4 and then minus 2, which is 2. So that means minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. So this is a bar cross b bar. So if modulus of a bar cross b bar, what we will get? Square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is square root of 9 is nothing but 3. Now finally 3 into a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. If you find, you will get 3 into, so minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap divided by 3. If you cancel these two, we will get this minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. So we need to observe the options, that is option B. Okay. Next, the area of a parallelogram whose diagonals are determined. So here the question, they are asking area of parallelogram but whose diagonals are given. See, previously I told, when they ask area of parallelogram, that will be a bar cross b bar modulus, but when they ask whose diagonals are determined, for example, this will consider as c bar, okay, 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap, and then d bar as I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap, and then area of parallelogram whose diagonals are determined means that formula is of modulus of c bar cross d bar. So this is the formula for area of parallelogram when diagonals are given. So according to that, I will find first modulus of c bar cross d bar. C bar cross d bar andre first that should be determinant we need to find. I cap, j cap and k cap. C bar 3, 1 minus 2, d bar 1 minus 3, 4. So modulus is there, and then of, so this will be I cap into 4 minus 6 is minus 2 minus j cap into 3 4's 12 plus 2, which is 14, plus k cap into 3 into minus 3, which is minus 9, minus 1, which is minus 10. So this will be the c bar cross d bar. For that modulus we have, that means of square root of 2 square 4 and then 14 square 196 and then 10 square, which is 100. So it will be of square root of 196 plus 4, which will be 200. 200 plus 100 is 300. See how to write this. Square root of 300 is so this one we can write 10 into 100 into 3 we can write. 100 means 10 we can write outside. So this one we can write as of into square root of 100 into 3, which means 10 by 2 into root 3. So which is 5 root 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So remember this formula. Next, question number 7. Here you see area of parallelogram whose edges and sides are given. Edges and sides andre different, diagonals andre different. Edges and side means directly will do a bar cross b bar modulus. Okay, modulus of this is I cap, j cap and k cap modulus is there. So for this 1 2 3 minus 3 minus 2 1. So you need to do very fast so that you can minimize this type of easy questions. So it will be I cap into 2 and then plus 6 which is 8 minus j cap into 1 and then plus 9 which is 10 plus k cap into, okay, this is minus 2 plus 6 which is 4. So for this modulus means square root of 8 square 64 plus 10 square 100 plus 4 square and this is 16. So which you will get square root of 64 plus 16 which is 80 plus 100 is 180. So this 180 you can write it as 36 into 5 you can write. 5 3 is 150 and plus 30 180, but 36 you can write as 6 root 5 square units area. So that is option A. Next, area of a triangle with vertices A, B and then C. Okay, here we need to find area of a triangle. So for this formula is of modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. Of modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. That means first we need to find AB bar and then AC bar and then AB bar cross AC bar we need to find. First AB bar means OB minus OA. That means 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 that is 0. And then minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 k cap. And then AC bar means AC bar is 4 minus 3 I cap and then minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 j cap and then 1 minus 2 is minus k cap. So this is AB bar and this is AC bar. See, area of triangle formula is not only of modulus of AB bar cross AC bar, you can also consider of BC bar cross BA bar, like this also you can do. Otherwise of CA bar cross CB bar, like this also you can do. But one thing should be common, it may be BB or CC or A and A. Okay. So but for our understanding we will consider only of AB bar cross AC bar. Now AB bar cross AC bar andre determinant find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I cap, J cap and K cap. So those are minus 2 0 minus 5 1 minus 2 minus 1. So if you simplify this you will get I cap into, this is a 10 minus J cap into, this is 2 plus 5 which is 7 plus K cap into, this is 4. So we will get a 10 I cap minus 7 J cap plus 4 K cap. This is AB bar cross AC bar. Now of modulus of AB bar cross AC bar, which is area of a triangle formula. So it will be of square root of 10 square 100 plus 7 square 49 plus this is 4 square 16. So which results of square root of 100 plus 49 149 plus 16 which is equal to 165, square root of 165 by 2. Option C. Right. Next question. The value of lambda for which the vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. See, coplanar andre very simple. You need to do box A bar, B bar, C bar which is equal to 0. Here box A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but determinant find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, here is equal to 0. Here A bar andre first vectors components like 2 minus 3 1 and then B bar andre 1 2 minus 3 and then C bar andre I cap illa, so it is 0 1 and then lambda. So as they said coplanar means ee tara det equate to 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First A bar scalar components, B bar scalar components, C bar scalar components. ಇದು det find out ಮಾಡಿ equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು coplanar ಅಂತ. But here unknown value is there. If you equate you will get the value of lambda. So ಮಾಡೋಣ 2 into, this is a 2 lambda plus 3 minus of minus 3 is plus 3 into, which is a lambda and then plus 1 into, so this is 1 which is equal to 0. That means 2 2 is 4 lambda plus 6 plus 3 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. 4 lambda plus 3 lambda is 7 lambda. 6 plus 1 7. That efficient right side minus 7. That means lambda equal to minus 1. So that is option B. Coplanar andre det equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next. This is another different problem. The value of lambda for which points A, B, C, D are coplanar. Value of lambda for which points A, B, C, D are coplanar. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ A bar, B bar, C bar coplanar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ A bar components, B bar components, C bar components that equal to 0 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But here 4 points given. Okay, A, B, C, D. ಈ ತರ 4 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ how to find coplanar means, so here we need to find box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar is equal to 0. Remember this formula. Here as like this, here box A bar, B bar, C bar andre first A bar, B bar, C bar. Here box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar andre first AB bar scalar components, AC bar and then AD bar. So AB bar I will find first. AB bar means OB minus OA. As these are position vectors, these will consider as OA bar like that. So AB bar means OB minus OA. 3 minus of minus 1 is 4i cap, and then 2 minus 4 is minus 2j cap, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2k cap, and then AC bar is minus 3 plus 1. Okay, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2i cap, and then 8 minus 4 is 4j cap, and then lambda minus of minus 3 is lambda plus 3 into k cap, and then AD bar. What is AD bar? OD minus OA. Minus 3 of minus 3 of plus 1 is minus 2i cap, 2 minus 4 is minus 2j cap, 1 minus of minus 3 is 4k cap. So now we got AB, AC, AD. Now we need to find box. So that is determinant. First AB bar 4 minus 2 minus 2, and then AC is minus 2, 4, lambda plus 3, and then minus 2 minus 2, 4. Det is equal to 0. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು det find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the value of lambda. So that is 4 into 4 4s are 16 plus 2 into this one. Why? Because minus into minus 2, which will be 2 lambda plus 6. Minus into minus plus 2 into this is a minus 8, minus into minus plus 2 into this one, 2 lambda plus 6, and then minus 2 into, okay, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4, okay, and then this is minus of minus plus 2 into 4, which is 8 is equal to 0. This simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 16s, which is 64 plus 8 lambda plus 4 6 24 minus 16, okay, plus 4 lambda plus 12, and then minus 8 minus 16 equal to 0. So ಇದು simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8 lambda plus 4 lambda, which is 12 lambda ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And again if you simplify all these, you will get lambda equal to minus 5. Okay, simplify ಮಾಡಿ you will get lambda is equal to minus 5. Next, hope you understood. 4 points ABCD ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ AB ಬಾರ್ AC ಬಾರ್ AD ಬಾರ್ det equal to 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ 3 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ AB ಬಾರ್ A ಬಾರ್ B ಬಾರ್ C ಬಾರ್ equal to 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, question number 11. The work, see these two are different problems. So these two types of problems we did not done in NCERT. So look at this carefully. The work done by the force F bar given 5i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap in moving a particle from A of 2 comma 1 comma 3 to B of 4 comma minus 1 comma 5. Options given 16 units, 18 units, 20 units and 12 units. So what they are asking is work done by the force. Work done by the force. So we should remember that work done by the force is equal to F bar dot AB bar. So work done by the force, which is equal to F bar dot AB bar. Here F bar given, that is force 5i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap in a moving particle from A to B. From A to B anta andre it will become AB bar. If it is from B to A, it will become BA bar. So work done by the force is nothing but F bar dot AB bar. We know that F bar, that is 5 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap dot AB bar. AB bar andre OB minus OA. 4 minus 2 2 I cap, and then minus 1 is minus 2 j cap, 5 minus 3 is 2 k cap. So ಎರಡು dot product ಮಾಡಿ we'll get that work done ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 5 into 2 10 minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, 2 into 2 which is equal to 4, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 10 which is equal to 20 units. So this is what work done. Very simple formula. Work done equal to force into this AB bar if it is from point A to B. If it is from B to A, it will become BA bar. Next, similar type of question, but instead of work done, here they are asking moment of a force. The moment of the force F bar given, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, about the point I bar plus 2 j bar plus 3 k bar acting through the point minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap is options given square root of 26, 2 root 6, 4 root 2, and then none of this. Here work done nodidre W bar is equal to F bar dot AB bar agutte, but here moment formula is different. Moment formula here, see moment of the force that we will represent with okay, capital M also you can represent, otherwise you directly write moment is equal to square root of, for example if you consider this as okay like this we will consider as some A bar, and then this one you consider as some B bar, then this will become AB bar, okay, and then cross F bar. So this is the formula. So but as they said this is about the point, okay, this you consider as A and this is B, capital B, then the formula will become capital M is equal to AB bar cross F bar. You know how to find AB bar, okay. See here AB bar means what? OB minus OA. So this is minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 I cap, and then 3 minus 2 is j cap, and then k minus 3 is minus 2 k cap. So this is AB bar, and then F bar already given, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and then now we need to find modulus of AB bar cross F bar. First we will find modulus which is I cap, j cap and k cap. First AB bar you write which is minus 3 1 minus 2, and then F bar which is 1 1 1. First you find modulus, and then first you find det and then modulus. See det ni find out madidre I cap into this is 1 plus 2 3 minus j cap into this is minus 3 plus 2 which is minus 1 plus k cap into minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So which is 3 I cap plus j cap minus 4 cap. Modulus is there. Modulus means what? Square root we need to find. So which is M is equal to modulus of AB bar cross F bar. So which means square root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 4 square. So which is square root of 9 plus 1 plus 16, which is square root of 26. Option A. Okay na? So moment ge idu formula, work done ge idu formula. Okay. And then see here also if you observe about the point, this point acting through this point. So first AB bar, it should be AB bar cross F bar. So idu dot product agutte, work done dot product agutte, moment another cross product agutte. Next question number 13. The moment of couple consisting of the force F bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap acting through the point. So this is also similar to that point, okay. So force, so they are asking moment of couple force acting through point through this one. So then again the formula will be, for example this you consider as A and this you consider as B, then what is momentum? It will become modulus of AB bar cross F bar agutte. Very simple. Idu onde nenpitkolli, so you can do very easily. See, but here, so this is the actual formula you know about that moment. But here if you observe the question, F bar acting through this point and minus F bar acting through this point, when they given like this minus F bar acting through the point, this formula will become M is equal to BA bar cross F bar. Remember this. So now, so this one we need to use that formula. If they given generally a point acting through another point means M is equal to modulus of AB bar cross F bar we need to do, as we consider this as A and this is B. But if they ask minus F bar acting through the point means, so that formula will become capital M is equal to modulus of B bar cross F bar. So BA bar, how to find BA bar? So BA bar means OA minus OB. Remember, BA bar means OA bar minus OB bar. Okay, this is OA bar and then this is OB bar. So OA 1 minus 2 is minus I cap, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2 J cap, and then 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 2 K cap. So this is what BA bar. And then we know F bar. So we will find BA bar cross F bar first, which is I cap, J cap and K cap. First BA bar is minus 1, 2 and 2, and F bar given this is 3, 2, minus 1. So we will find BA bar cross F bar. So I cap into 2 into 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is, okay, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, and then minus J cap into 1 minus 6 is minus 5, plus K cap into this is minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. So which results minus 6 I cap plus 5 J cap and then minus 8 K cap. Now we need to find modulus. Modulus of BA bar cross F bar, which is square root of 36 plus 25 plus 64, which is equal to 36 plus 64 is 100. 100 plus 25 is 125. Square root of 125 we can write 25 into 5, which is 5 root 5 is the answer. Option B. So problem simple irutte, but you need to remember those formulas. See, ಈ vectors in the direct formulas ಮೇಲೆ questions ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No need to think much. If you observe that question and remember that concept, so you can apply easily. Next question. If A bar and B bar be the position vectors of points A and B respectively, then the position vector of point C dividing AB in the ratio 2:3. Okay. ಇದು A ಇದು B ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So the point C which divides AB in the ratio 2:3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So but ಅದಕ್ಕೆ vectors ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is with respect to some point. This is OA and OB. So OA bar that is given here. A bar given 2 I cap plus J cap minus K cap, and then B bar given I cap minus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. So this is the question regarding section formula. We know that when a point divides AB in the ratio 2:3, then the formula, for example, that formula will become MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N, right? So you know that here M value, what is M value? So it is in the ratio M is to N equal to 2:3. That means M value 2. So 2 into B bar, which is I cap minus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap plus N. What is N value? 3. 3 into A bar. What is A bar? 2 I cap plus J cap minus K cap divided by M plus N. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 6, which is 8 I cap. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 3 into 1, minus 4 plus 1, which is see 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 3, sorry, which is minus J cap, and then 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 3 plus 3 cap divided by 5. So which is you observe option plus minus plus. Option B. Very simple. See, this is the question based on section formula. Next question. A point R with position vector divides AB in the ratio 2:1. If the position vector of A is I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap, then the position vector of B is what? If you observe the question, a point R with position vector divides AB in the ratio 2:1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If the position vector of A is this, then the position vector of B is what we need to find. So it's actually simple problem. See here. So actually section formula, you know, for example, C bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar by m plus n ಆಯ್ತಾ. when for example ಇದು a, this is b, when it divides c, okay na. But what they said is a point r which with position vector divides ab. So here the point will be r, that means this will consider as r bar. Okay, r divides ab in the ratio that is given, that is 2:1. But here what they given is a position vector given, that means r bar, this one they have given position vector given, that is what 5/3 I cap plus 11/3 k cap is position vector given, which is equal to m value ಏನು, m value 2 into b bar ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Why? Because the position vector of a is this one, position vector of a given, then the position vector of b we need to find. This position vector of a is nothing but this a bar, position vector of b bar, this b bar we need to find. So that b bar you consider as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Hope you understood. They given position vector of r given, position vector of a given, position vector of b we need to find. If it is r divides in the ratio 2:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a bar ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು a bar, ಇದು r bar, and then we need to find b bar. So this will become 2xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap plus n a bar. n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ 1 into a bar ಏನು i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided by m plus n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 plus 1 3. okay, so 5/3 i cap plus 11/3 k cap. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡು ಕೋಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 into xi cap plus 1 2x. okay, if you take I cap common it will become 2x plus 1 into I cap divided by 3. okay, and then 2y plus 2y plus 2 by 3 into j cap is split ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2z plus 3 divided by 3 into k cap. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ 5/3 to this, 2x plus 1/3 equal to 5/3, 3 cancel, 2x equal to 5 minus 1 4, then x is equal to 2. ನೋಡಿ x equal to 2, only option C ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, x equal to 2. So this will be the correct answer. And again you check, otherwise for example ಇಲ್ಲಿ j cap ಇಲ್ಲ, so 2y plus 2 by 3 equal to 0, that means 2y plus 2 equal to 0, 2y equal to minus 2, and then y equal to minus 1. So it is also matching. So similarly this is the correct answer. So instead of doing all, let us consider the options. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಆರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Next last question of this session, let a bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap if theta be the angle between 2a bar plus 2b bar, then cos theta is equal to. So actually we know that a bar dot b bar is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos theta. So this is the actual formula when the angle between the two vectors, a bar dot b bar equal to modulus of a bar modulus of b bar into cos theta. According to this, what is cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modulus of a bar and modulus of b bar. Okay, you know this, everyone you know this. Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. Now in this question, instead of asking the angle between this a bar and b bar, they are asking if theta be the angle between these two. Theta be the angle between these two. If theta is the angle between, see here, if theta is the angle between a bar and b bar, then this is the formula. If theta is the angle between a bar and b bar, this is the formula. Now they are asking theta is the angle between 2a bar plus b bar and a bar plus 2b bar. Then you should replace a bar with this first vector, b bar with the second vector. That means formula will become cos theta is equal to 2a bar plus b bar dot, okay, b bar ಏನು a bar plus 2b bar divided by modulus of 2a bar plus b bar and again modulus of a bar plus 2b bar. So in order to find this, first you need to find 2a bar plus b bar. Howda? So 2 into a bar, okay, see here 2a bar plus b bar andre, so 2 into a bar andre 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 6k cap plus b bar andre 3i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, 2a bar plus b bar, which is 2 plus 3, 5i cap, 4 minus 1 is 3j cap, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4k cap. Ideno 2a bar plus b bar, right? And then a bar plus 2b bar we need. A bar plus 2b bar. A bar ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap plus 2b bar. 2b bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿ scalars ಗೆ. So 6i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. And then now we add 1 plus 6 is 7i cap. 2 minus 2 is plus 0j cap minus 3 plus 4 is plus k cap. Idena a bar plus 2b bar, right? Now in this form what we need, cos theta is equal to 2a bar plus b bar, which is this one, 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap dot a bar plus 2b bar, which is 7i cap plus 0j cap plus k cap divided by modulus of 2a bar plus b bar. Modulus andre ಏನು square root of 5 square 25 plus 9 plus 16 into square root of this one, 7 square 49 plus 0 square 0 plus 1 square 1. So dot product andre ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಬಹುದು already. Dot product andre I cap scalar product of scalar components plus j cap scalar product plus k cap scalar components product. 5 sevens, this is 35 plus 0 minus 4 divided by, okay, see here square root of 25 plus 9, 9 plus 16 andre 25, 25 plus 25 andre square root of 50, and again 49 plus 1 andre square root of 50. So 35 minus 4 andre 31 divided by square root of 50 into square root of 50, which is equal to 50. So this is the answer, so which is option B. Okay, these are some 16 different types of problems when regarding vectors, so which will be useful in your coming KCT, but don't depend on only these 16 questions. As I said, I will send 100 number of practice questions with solutions, with key answers, and also detailed solutions also I will mention in the description of the video. Please download it and make a use of it. All the best, students. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.